Hello everybody, this is Super Frieza and welcome to another video. Today I'm showing you my little slime thing. I built like a slime play button. It's got green slime out here that didn't go well, so I decided to make this so it would stay harder and stiffer and not melt after like 2 seconds. And I got some really good made slime in the middle that's to resemble the little arrow. It's kind of like melting down, so in the middle, so it's not gonna really look like an arrow, kinda. So whoever watches, just leave a comment if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, just don't comment and just leave. Please leave. I don't like people who hate on videos. You'll see that it's not like something just fake. It's actually slime. So it's the slime. Well, that's all I had to show you.